Hi traders! MemeCore has experienced a massive price drop of nearly 70% in the last 24 hours, with the current price trading around $0.87 to $0.90. Now the big question is this a great recovery opportunity? Or is it a potential bull trap before another move lower? When a cryptocurrency falls this sharply in a short period, volatility increases dramatically. Some traders may see value buying at lower prices, while others prefer to wait for confirmation that the downtrend has ended. Key things to watch: 1. Trading volume. 2. Support and resistance levels. 3. Market sentiment. And 4. Any project-related news or updates. Remember, large price drops can sometimes lead to strong rebounds, but they can also signal continued weakness. Risk management is essential. What do you think? Will MemeCore recover from here, or is this just the beginning of a larger correction? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Disclaimer: please do your own research. This is not financial advice.